purpose is just to preserve culture, is to preserve and make sure history is not distorted. Because so I make it look like a village, but interior is far from what you will see outside. Then contour work is about spirit. The concept is
Oh God, you are there, so let go. I won't go. I will try. Let go. You can like say love. I say.
So slavery.
Okay. Wow.
So Killer was saying that now they are ready to see, to take it off from there. So okay. Look like. Yes. Now. Irú àgbẹ̀nà ló yẹ kó gba ibi kó máa gba àwọn tó lè rúyàn lé mú tó lè rúyàn lé lórí sọ́ṣẹ́gun pátá ìpátá ìṣẹ́gun pátá ìṣílẹ̀ lórí sọ́ṣẹ́gun pátá ìpátá ìṣẹ́gun pátá ìṣílẹ̀ and so on and so forth. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ọmọ olórí Ajárígọ̀ṣù ìjẹ̀búrẹ́ sọ́yà ìjẹ̀bú afọ ọmọ olórí Ajárígọ̀ṣù Ibé Délé Òdúlé ọyìn ẹnu mi wá Ibé rí gbèjà àwọn we discuss them, we talk about them. Okay. For instance, this is a sample. Okay. Yeah. A brief. For people to read. Okay. And know more about. So that history will not be distorted. Nígbà táwọn fúnra wọn bá rí ilé wọ́n bá sọ pé náà lè wùdú bẹ́ẹ̀ ní 1992 wọn ní rárá. Ìṣe 1992 wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn rọ̀. Interior will look like this, but this is how we do it there.
Right.
Spirit.
So, plasma conceiving.
Okay.
I read basic to my cash one. Wow, I you see that. So our geese here come on Wembe. This is these are costumes. And these are drums.
Drums.
I need 22 of this.
Wow. Wow, mo tẹ̀ ti rí ìyá àlùbàtà ẹ̀ pé eléyìí jẹ́mbé yàtọ̀ rhythm ẹ̀ yàtọ̀ lórí jẹ́mbé different sizes bẹ́ẹ̀ and all that.
Then this drum is 70 years old.
Wow. Archive neza. O ti dorisa.
Àwọn àbíkú lẹ́kùn sí tọ́ṣẹ́ owó ẹ̀sìn bí kọ́mádà bí i community kan ló máa jọ. So wọ́n bá máa fi parí pílà wọ́n máa fi gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́tí kúrò ní ìmọ̀láṣọ. Then the likes of you guys who will be getting in touch with the Kiliman Chief and then we want to be catching them young. Yes. We want to go to secondary schools, those who are talented. We want them to bring them around at their leisure instead of engaging in kini kan tó bá ti ṣe gbogbo kini yẹn let them come here, let them train them applied fine and applied arts ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe ń bì níbi láti ń ṣe. You don't allow everything here. Wedding machine is art.
Mo ti rí gbogbo àwọn
machines tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀. So we can start training them. Wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe kíní rè, wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe léèrè, fibre, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè fi ṣe sculptural job rè, cement, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa fi ṣe sculptural job rè kankan. Wọ́n á develop them láti kékeré instead of allowing them to
engage irú àwọn tá a rí tọ́lọ́kadà bá gbé búrẹ́dì wá láàárọ̀ àti pure water.
So that is the purpose of this place. But if it conforms with your scripts, why not?